Hi everyone, today's video will be the last installment of my summer vacation series where we will be visiting a hidden treasure in Orange Beach, which is about 10 minutes from where we stayed in Gulf Shores. I'm so excited to show you my favorite shop on the beach. I hope that you'll visit if you're in Gulf Shores or Orange Beach. I love it so much that I visit it every year and always end up with a treasure for myself, family, or friends. So let's see what Tula's Treasures is all about. We're finally here. Tula's Treasures is right on the beach and has such an inviting atmosphere. The store is an eclectic collection of clothes, jewelry, art, and one-of-a-kind treasures. They even have a dress-up box so you can take fun vacation photos. I'll show you mine at the end of the video along with my haul of finds. Tula's is a specialty shop with handmade items like this purse. They have an array of women's clothing, and the clothes on the porch were all on sale for 50% off. One of my favorite things to do is pet the cats that guard the store. I'm such a sucker for a friendly cat. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope if you enjoyed today's video that you'll like and subscribe and help me reach my goal of having 1,000 YouTube friends. It's totally free. If you're a returning viewer, thank you again for being such a loyal friend. Your comments and support continue to mean so much to me. I just love the friendship we're building in our community. Tula's has a lot of artisan-made items, including a lot of jewelry. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but I do love a handmade bracelet. And I think it's important to support local artists and businesses when you can. Of course, my favorite things in the store are the beach and coastal items. They do have Christmas ornaments and other religious items as well. All this blue glassware is interesting and different, and I just love this seashell and starfish tic-tac-toe game. It's so cute. I'm just loving all the wooden coral and the different kind of lamps, and I think I have a sea turtle like that at home. This is a very unique cabinet. I love how they have it decorated, and I just love the pastel bowls and trays. They even have sauces and some other food items to select from. I love all the different artwork, and Tula's has a lot of pieces to choose from. What's your favorite things to do while you're shopping on vacation? Let me know in the comments and what you would purchase if you were visiting Tula's. They also had a lot of angels to choose from if you're collecting them, and they had a few pieces of furniture throughout the store. We'll finish browsing for a few more minutes and then I'll pay for all my items, so I hope you'll stick around till the end of the video to see my vacation haul. I'll go through it with you, and then I'll give you an update on all of our fall projects and plans coming up in the future. These drawer pulls are unique and look like they're one of a kind, and we all know how I love Seahorses. I don't think I've ever seen another mirror that looked like this. This is very special. I'm also obsessed with Mermaids, and she's beautiful. This section has a lot of coastal kitchenware items. How neat this platter matches the mirror that we just saw. If you're into martinis, these toothpicks would make a great addition. Here's some more mermaids for all you mermaid lovers out there. Now on to look at all that handmade jewelry I told you about. I just love this watercolor painting. It's so beautiful and one of a kind. I always think about buying it, but I didn't. However, I asked the store employees and they said that they do ship items. We'll take a look at the hand-painted Christmas ornaments and then some clothes, and then we'll get on to the haul. Look at these adorable beaded clutches. I don't think I've seen any quite like these. I just love this sweater and nightlight. A lot of the clothes are very beachy and bohemian, but I didn't have time to try them on. They had a large selection and an array of summer, fall, and winter fashion. Here's another one of those cute beaded purses. It goes great with this outfit. Of course, I couldn't leave without taking my token souvenir picture. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed our vacation series and seeing where we stayed and what we did while we were on vacation. If you haven't had a chance to watch that video, I hope you'll go back and watch it if you get a chance. It seems like ages since I've been on here to talk to everyone. I've missed y'all, and I hope you missed me as well. After we get through with the haul, I want to share with you some plans and projects for the house, the porch, and the shed, and then we'll talk about the upcoming fall video series. I wanted to share what we brought back from vacation from Souvenir City and Tula's treasures, so let's see what we brought back. Of course, every time we go on vacation, Tom and I always end up coming back with matching souvenir t-shirts, and this one just simply says Gulf Shores, Alabama with a patriotic shark. Also bought another pink t-shirt at Souvenir City. I bought it in a larger size so I could sleep in it and lounge around. And I bought this white jacket at Souvenir City that says Gulf Shores on the back, and it has a hood. and I like it because it's long sleeves and I can wear my t-shirts underneath it for the fall. And I didn't have a white one, so that's why I went with white. I didn't know if you saw this in the Souvenir City video, but Tom found this sign that says a spoiled rotten dog called Lola lives here. And so we just had to get it because it's black like Lola and has a little black tail. I'm going to hang it in the laundry room and put Lola's leashes on it so they'll have their own home now. And this is the haul from Tula's. I just love how they personalize all the gifts. You get these pretty little bags with the little sticker. And they have, all their tissue paper has pink flamingos, and that's just a sweet touch. Also brought back some gifts for our neighbor Addie, and she got a little bag wrapped as well. And I don't really remember what I bought, so we'll go through it together. You also get the personalized little boxes with stickers. And I bought this bracelet, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got a small little turtle on it, and it's got the light blue and gray stones. But I bought Addie a bracelet, and she had multicolored turtles on her bracelet. And I got another box. And this was another bracelet, and it's got pink beads. I don't know if you can tell, but I love bracelets. And then I bought a white bracelet with a gray bead on it, and it stretches. I've got receipts falling all over the floor. Just a minute. And in the Tula's video, I don't know if you saw this on the shelf, but it was a wooden coral, and it's got white paint on it. I'm not going to put it out right now because I'm going to be taking down the summer decor to put up fall, but I'll put it in my tote outside with the summer decor, and we'll put it up for next summer. And I think I've got an obsession with Seahorses now. I found this one, and it's silver and gold, and it's metal, and it's on a little base. But isn't he adorable? And I love night lights. I have a seashell here in the living room and one in the bathroom, so I bought a gold coral one. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in my bedroom or the kitchen, but we'll find a spot for it. But like I said, it'll probably go in the summer tote until I decorate next summer. I hope in the first week of September that I'll be able to start posting our fall video series. I'll take you shopping with me. I plan on going to Hobby Lobby, Ace Hardware, and TJ Maxx, and maybe some local shops as well. And then we'll decorate the porch and the living room and the dining room and maybe the bathroom this year as well. And so those will be separate videos. I'll also be sharing some new furniture additions to the porch that Tom's making for me. I hope he's finished in time, but if not, you'll get to see some things unpainted. We'll be pressure washing and painting the shed, and I hope to put up a poll so you guys can help pick out the paint colors. As I said in a previous video, I'm thinking about painting it a cranberry color or a charcoal gray, or we can throw in some other colors. If you have any ideas for a color that matches the current colors on the house, just let me know in the comments. After we finish painting and pressure washing the shed, we hope to remodel it inside so we can turn it into my video studio and my office so that I'm not always bothering Tom, and I have room to spread out and I can do more clothing hauls as well. Tom's also going to be working on finishing the fence and putting up the rest of the only lights across the back, and I hope to post a video when we finish that. We hope to plan some trips in late September, early October. We want to visit Helen, Georgia for Oktoberfest. I've never been, and it's a quaint little town that looks like a Swiss village, and I hope to share that with you. I'll definitely be taking you along for our annual downtown block party in Cleveland. It's a big hit with the locals, and I think you'll enjoy it for Halloween. And I'm looking at my list. We also want to visit Rock City and Ruby Falls in Chattanooga. It's a local attraction, and people from all over the country to come to see it. But living so close, I've never visited. Tom lived in New York for years when he was growing up, and he never visited a lot of sites there, so that made me feel better that I've never seen some of the local attractions. I hope you enjoyed going on vacation with us, getting to see where we stayed in Gulf Shores, visiting Tula's in Orange Beach, Singer Hall, and I hope you enjoyed this series all together. And until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.